Welcome to the K-RESA Career Connect Plumbing class. In this course, you'll learn how to design, build, and maintain the systems that keeps homes and businesses running. Learn blueprint design and interpretation, foundational tools and equipment, plumbing code, project management, and work with fittings, valves, and fixtures, preparing you for future apprenticeships and careers. It also allows you to gain multiple certifications while in high school. My favorite part of the class is the teammates I get to work with, and the teachers are really nice. I've learned in this class how to plumb a bathroom and how to work with new tools that I've never used before. This class will help me work with my hands a lot better and be more efficient in projects that I do.